Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about Lashliner magnetic eyeliner and eyelash kit. So it comes with 2 tubes, 10 pairs of magnetic eyelashes, and 1 eyelash applicator. So let's go ahead and open this up. So out of the box, we come with 10 eyelashes. We do come with 2 sets of eyeliner, which is the magnetic eyeliner that they're able to click on. So if you look at these, if we pull them out of the box here, you see that they have the little magnetic little strips on them, so then when we put them back and we wash and reuse them, stick them on just like that and they hold on pretty well. So let's go ahead and put them on. So the first thing you want to do with the eyelash is you want to measure out the eyelash and how long you want it. If it's a little bit too long, you can go ahead and clip the ends of it. So you just want to first make sure that in the mirror before gluing, you always want to make sure that you are good with the length and where it starts and ends, and this is a perfect size for me. So let me go ahead and show you what the eyeliner looks like. So if we open this, it is a liquid eyeliner. It comes with a little brush applicator, so when we go ahead and put it on our eye, it comes out super thin and it's the color black, so it could be super easy to put it on. So let's go ahead and put this on. All right, so now we put our eyeliner on, so you can put it to as thick as you want it or as thin as you want it. Like I put mine really thin. So let's go ahead and put these eyelashes on. So we'll go ahead and I have the applicator with this, so we'll go ahead and stick this on our eye. So it says to gently lay it down on the lash line, and then make sure you place it on all the little lines. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished product. So these are super easy and super simple to put on. I'm not the greatest at putting lashes on, but these are super easy for all beginners to learn and put on. So check them out.